Hello and welcome back to your journey learning Python programming. In today's video, we will learn how can we write a code for save the data in the notebook. Okay, so let's start and work with the examples. So here I'm creating a one file. Okay, the name is data1.txt. The command is very simple. F is my variable. If we say use, it's a pointer use here. You can just keep in mind, okay, it's just a variable. It's work as a pointer. Open is my command and the file name, comma, the mode. Okay, W for write, A for append, and R for read. I'll show you all these three possibly in this video. So let's start with the W for writing. I open this file in write mode and I tell that F is my pointer name dot write, first line, backslash is the what new line character, F dot write, it's my second line. So right click and run and check that automatically is file created there and we see that first line, second line. Let's run it. Okay, again third line and fourth line. So already first and second is there. Let's run it and check that. So it's overwriting. Okay, my first and second write is overwriting. Okay, so basically write is what do if file is existing or not. It's create a new file. Also, if existing, it's open the file and rewrite the data. Okay, it just rewrite the data. So what I do here, opening A stands for append. So third and fourth is already there. Let me modify 5 and 6. Okay, now let me run. Let's check the output. So 3 and 4 already there. 5 and 6 is append. Add one more. It's 7 and 8. Right click and run. And let's check 7 and 8. Right. So W is for writing. Okay. A for append. Okay. Let's open this file in the read mode. Read. Okay. The command is change F dot read line. Okay. What this F dot read line basically do? Let's just use in printf statement. Let's print it. So open that file, read the first line and print here. Okay, and print it. The first line is this one. So one more time. Okay, check the output. Third, okay, fourth, okay. Whatever we are typing, thirds and fourth, okay. Now, because we are copy pasting, right? Now, next one more command. Is there a read command? Okay, if you want to read specific character, okay, not line, not entire the line, we say read file. Okay, so it's just read next 5 characters. Okay, it's a fifth and space is one more character, 1, 2, 3, space is 4 and L. Okay, so it's read just 5 characters. Okay, and we can use loop also here for I in my pointer name and I just print here I. Okay, I can use like this. We can check here. It's open the file in read mode and read all the line by line data using the loops. Okay, start with the third and end at the 8th. Okay, so in this video we will learn how can we read, how can we write, how can we append the notepad file and data using the open command and using the notepad file. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep watching. Thank you.